Welcome back to Rare Coins and Lost Antique. Before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to support the channel. Today, we're taking a look at the 1940 wheat penny, one of the classic Lincoln cents still found in collections today. The obverse features Abraham Lincoln, with the date 1940 clearly marked below. The reverse shows the traditional wheat ears design, used from 1909 to 1958. This coin was minted in large quantities, which means it's common, but condition makes all the difference. Here's the value breakdown. In circulated condition, a 1940 wheat penny is usually worth 5 to 20 cents. In better grades, like very fine or extremely fine, it can reach $1 to $2. And in uncirculated condition, with strong luster and crisp details, it can be worth $5 to $20 plus, depending on the mint mark and grade. Always look for clean surfaces, sharp wheat lines, and full details on Lincoln's portrait. These features can increase value. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to support Rare Coins and Lost Antique.